Alright, so hello again. So I have already opened my Linux inside my Windows. And if you want the same setup that I have done in the Windows, then you can install it using WSL. You can find the video in the description. So I will start with the working of the commands in Linux. So I will start with very basic command that is ls. So ls shows all the files that you have in your current directory. So in order to check your current directory, you can type pwd, and to check which user you are, if you forget your username, so you can just type root and find. So this shows cyber, this is my username. You have multiple users in Linux. So after that, we are going to create a file. So if you want to create empty file, so you can use that command. I will do ls. So I had only one file. Now this one other what the file name one is here. Now if you want to create multiple files at the same time, you can also do that. Write 2 and 4, 5 and hit enter and do ls. You can say you can see here we have now a total of 5 files. So now if you want to edit any of these files, because these are empty files. So if you want to read any file, so you use the command cat. So I do cat1. So it prints nothing, means the cat, the one file is empty. So you can use any editor. We are going to use Vim here. So I will just write Vim1. So in order to get into insert mode, you need to press the insert key on your keyboard and type hello and press the escape button, then colon, then W. Q. W is for write and Q is for quit, and we will hit enter. Now our file is saved. So in order to view that, we can again type cat1 and hit enter. We can see the contents of the file here. Now suppose I want to delete this file. So I can type rm1. Now I'll do ls. So you can see here one file is deleted, and now I want to make a new directory here. So I will mkdir. This is the command, and I will do ls. So here you can see there is this new folder with name new, and this is highlighted in blue. So in order to go to any folder, you need to type cd and name of the folder. Again, I will do ls. ls is to display all the contents of the folder. Uh, Now let's say I want to copy the files from the previous folder, our home directory. One more thing, in order to go to home directory, you can type cd and tilde. If I type pwd, and this is my home for the cyber user, and now I will do ls. So I want to copy this file. Sorry, I want to copy this to my new folder. So first I will go in the new folder. Sorry, new. First let's move to clear the screen. So in order to clear the screen, you will just type clear and hit enter. And here now let's go to cd new. Now I'm in the new folder. So I don't see any files here. So in order to copy, I will just type dot slash. So cp is the command to copy, and dot means go one step back, and then copy, let's say 4. And now we need to tell where we need to copy. So I will just press dot in the present directory. Hit enter, and I will do ls. So I see 4 is here now. So now I go to one step back, cd dot, and I will do ls. So 4 is here also, and 4 is in that directory also, new folder. So this is about copy. Now if you want to cut a file, so let's say I want to cut this file to and bring it into the new folder. So what I will do is mv command. Mv is to move a file. So I will go a directory back and will take 2 and move this file to the present directory. dot means present. I will enter. I will do ls. Now I can see 2 is here. So now let's go one step back and check if we have 2 here. We can't see 2 here. It means we have deleted this file from here and move it to the new folder. Now let's go again to the new folder, the new. And now suppose I want to delete this 4 file. So what I will do is rm foo, hit enter. And this now I'll do ls, so I can see 4 is deleted, only 2 is left. So I will go a step back, dot, and I will do ls. So here I want to now remove a folder. If I try with the normal command, I say remove here. So this I can't remove because it is a directory. So in order to remove a directory, what you are going to do is keep a flag that is -r. This means that remove the files inside this folder new recursively. Means one by one, accessing each file and deleting it. Now I hit enter and I do like this. So I can see here new folder is deleted. So these were the very basics of the Linux commands. Means now you are slightly above the beginner level. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.